Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HONOR Pad X8a to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and now allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Following that, do whatever you want to with all of those pop-ups. So I will go with don't allow notifications and OK to updates. Then just tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of HONOR. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. I just need to rotate my tablet real quick to continue. And now I can use all of those categories at the top to pick all of the files I wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Sorry, misclick. Then to continue, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Wait for an ad and close it, and then wait for a pop-up. Hit while using the app to allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive button. Now wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!